Hello dear students, I am going to explain you how to create a template. As we have discussed that there are two ways to create a template, from document and from using a wizard. Okay, we will see both the things. Okay, now come to file and come to template. Okay, where is template? Yes, template is here, and save, and we will name this template just like work with template. Okay, work with, working with, okay. Working with template. तो टेम्पलेट के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं. ओके, एंड नाउ दिस इज अ टेम्पलेट. इन दिस टेम्पलेट वी कैन डू सो मेनी थिंग्स. वी विल डिस्कस इट इन फर्दर वीडियोस. नाउ सी द अनदर मेथड, फाइल, wizard, with the help of wizard. Okay, later, and it will show you. Wait, oh, Java runtime is already here. Okay, presentation, come to presentation, it may show. Yes, okay. From template, we will see from template. Yes, okay, you can see here. Next, what is name of your, okay, I am typing here my name, JYOTI, and subject, what is working with template. Okay, now come to next and create. Now what you will see that working with template, this is a way to create a template with the help of wizard. Working with template, only Jyoti is here, but in this what we can see that there is a inbuilt, okay, already prepared template is here. You can see here, this is normal, this is outline. Okay, we can make it in this way also, notes. In this way we can also make this template handouts. Okay, this is the and slide sorter. In this way it will also show. Okay, now we will come to the normal, and we can change the layout of each and every slide. Okay, if this slide is like this, now come to the long term goal. Okay, working with template, long term goal, there is a topic. Okay, so we can make it in this way, long term. Now come to next slide, we can create the layout in this way. Okay, I am selecting here, are you able to see? And we can use this also, fulfilling customer needs. Okay, or this. And next, on next slide, cost analysis, we will analyze the cost, then we can see this type of layout, and so many layouts are there. I am showing you only the examples. According to our need we will create all those slides. Okay, now what we can see how to use it, how to see it. Okay, first of all we will save it. Untitled, this is untitled, we will create it. Working with templates. Okay, working with templates. Okay, now what we can do, that here is one another thing, how it will look, then what we can do, we can see here. Okay, now we will go to the first slide, working with template. एंड यहाँ मैंने ज्योति टाइप किया था. नाउ लॉन्ग टर्म गोल, स्टेट द इंटेंडेड गोल. अगर मैं यहाँ टाइप करूँगी, अभी तो ये स्लाइड शो हो रहा है, अगर यहाँ हम टाइप करेंगे तो ये बुलेट्स जो है, ये बुलेट्स, इसमें बुलेट वाइज, पॉइंट वाइज एक एक पॉइंट हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, और यहाँ एक पॉइंट है, हम लोग और भी पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हैं. लॉन्ग टर्म, कस्टमर विशेस, describe customer need and wishes, explain the requirements according to our topic. We will write here different topics. Okay, different titles, subtitles. Now fulfilling customers need, this is one topic, but according to our topic we can make changes here. Describe the main attributes of the product, link the product attribute to the customer need. Now cost analysis, strength and advantages, next steps of action, explain the step now we need. Okay, and click exit to go to the exit. Okay, as we have discussed in previous lectures, insert and so many things, but today we will discuss only the templates. Okay, now I am going to explain you remaining things from the book. It will be helpful to understand you how to create a template. We have discussed today only to create a template in two ways. Okay, come to the next point.